In today's video, I'm breaking down the Acorns Found Money Cashback program. I'll be sharing my overall experience with it so far, and I'll even show you how you can maximize it to get the most cash back into your Acorns investment account. Hey guys, what's up? This is Eric of Everyday Investing, and on this channel we're all about investing and personal finance for the everyday investor. So if you're new here today, definitely feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification to catch future investment app reviews just like this one. But before we start today's video on the Acorns Found Money program, let me know down below in the comments, have you guys tried Acorns Found Money yet? Have you guys gotten any cash back yet? I'm interested to hear your experience. Also guys, if you're new to the Acorns app and would like to try it out after the video, definitely feel free to join through my referral link in the description box below. Whenever you join through referral link, both you and I will receive a free $5 invested into our Acorns accounts. But with that being said guys, let's now hop inside the Acorns app so I can show you how you can start earning cash back on everyday purchases with your Acorns account. So before I take you inside the actual Acorns app, I first want to go over the main features of the Found Money program inside Acorns. So the Found Money program inside the Acorns app is actually a cashback portal. It's been around for a little while now, and it lets you earn cash back from your online purchases directly back into your Acorns investment account. So to get started, all you have to do is link a credit or debit card to your Acorns account. Once you do that, you then just make your online purchase with your linked credit or debit card, and then the cashback will be invested back into your Acorns account. In just a bit guys, I'm also going to show you how you can maximize your cashback with Acorns by installing the Acorns Found Money Chrome extension. This will basically allow you to earn cash back from your online purchases for not only purchases made on your phone, but also for purchases made on your computer or laptop. So here we are now guys inside the actual Acorns app itself. And when you want to find the Found Money portal, what you're going to want to do is go to the home page of the Acorns app just like you see, and you're going to want to go down to the third option where it says Earn Found Money. If you click on Earn Found Money, that'll show you how much cash back you've earned so far through the Acorns app. So as you can see guys, on the very top, they'll have featured retailers you can earn cash back from. For example, right now they have 1-800-Flowers, you get 10% invested into your account. Macy's 5% invested, 5% cash back. All these different are featured options here. They really do have some high cashback offers, especially if you're already going to be making your purchases at these different online retailers. So those are just the featured options on the top guys. Beneath that, you'll see top supporters. That'll show you some places that are pretty popular within the Acorns community. Beneath that, they have newly found. These are new retailers that are new to the Acorns Found Money program. New retailers are always coming, so always check back here often. Next, you have trending, which are stores that are trending from the Acorns app users. You can even get cash back for gas. And you can also earn cash back with Amazon. Now, do keep in mind, guys, that you can't earn cash back for your general Amazon purchases, unfortunately, but you can earn cash back for specific Amazon categories, such as 3% back for any Amazon Kindle categories. I actually bought a Kindle Oasis myself. I bought it through the Acorns app, and I got 3% cash back, so that was pretty cool. If you buy any Fire tablets for Amazon, you get 3% back. If you buy any Dash buttons, 3% back. Any Amazon Echo products, 3% back. Amazon Fire TV, 3% back. Any items in the Amazon fashion category, you'll also get 3% back on those purchases. So that's pretty cool if you use Amazon a lot like I do. And beneath all that, it will show you all your offers that are available inside the Acorns app. And there are literally, guys, it seems like hundreds of them. Contacts, Flowers, 24-Hour Fitness, Adidas. So some of them are pretty low, some are like 1%, but some are higher, some are 5%. Some are dollar amounts, such as Audible, a 2% fixed amount, $5 set fixed amount. So some are cashback percentages, some are fixed dollar amounts invested back into your account. It really just depends on the retailer itself. So you can see there are more Amazon offers: Kindle Unlimited, Music Unlimited, Apple Music, $5 back, American Eagle, Apple Retail. These are just a couple of them. There are so many. Barnes & Noble, 1% back. These are a little lower, guys, but you will see that there are some higher offers as you continue to scroll down. 10% back, 4% back, $10 invested. Bloom, $25 invested. If you sign up for Blue Apron, $30 invested back into your account. So definitely a lot of different cash back options. If you keep on scrolling down here, you guys will see some hotels. You'll see some air, cheapo air. Choice Hotel, 6% back. Chevron, gas, 25 cents back every time you get some gas. And I'm just scrolling on down here, guys. DirecTV, Dish, Dockers, eBay, Expedia, 4% back. Finish Line, 5% back. Forever 21, 2% back. GNC, 5% back. Gamefly, $5 invested. So there really are a lot of options here, guys. Groupon, if you use Groupon, why not stack an additional 2% back on top of that? And that's another thing I want to mention, guys. You can actually stack this with cashback credit cards. You can link a cashback credit card, link it to your Acorns app, and stack the cash back. So for example, guys, if you have a cashback credit card that earns you 4% back on travel. You could stack it with this and get an additional 4% back through Expedia. Let's say you have a cashback credit card that earns you 3% back on gas. You could stack it with this and get the 3% back on gas plus 25 cents back at Chevron. So you can really stack your cash back in a number of different ways. So I'm just scrolling here, guys, and there are just really so many options. Groupon, H&R Block, Hotwire Hotels, Hulu, Instacart, JCPenney, Jet, Levi's, Lending Club, $50 invested if you use that, LifeLock, Liberty Mutual. Like, look at this, guys. Lyft, $25 invested if you become a Lyft driver. Macy's, 5% back. Movement Watches, 10% back. Michael Kors. All these different options. If you shop at the NBA store or the NFL shop, why not get 5% back if you're shopping there already? New Balance, Nike, Newegg, get some cash back invested. If you sign up for Norton, $25 invested. Old Navy. The list just keeps on going. Overstock.com. I don't use Overstock myself, but if you do, 3.5% back, not bad, especially if you're stacking with the cashback credit card. Reebok, 5% back. If you want to learn a new language, why not get 5% back with Rosetta Stone? You have Sam's Club. Definitely a lot of flower options where you can get some cash back invested for buying flowers. Shop NFL, Shutterstock, SiriusXM, Skillshare. There are just so many options, guys. I'm still scrolling. We're almost at the bottom. Texaco, get some gas at Texaco. The Container Store, the Home Depot, 5% back. That's pretty good. And we're almost at the bottom. If you want to become an Uber driver, you get $30 invested into your Acorns account. If you want to become an Uber Eats delivery driver, $25. And when you make your first Uber Eats delivery, you get $5 invested back. I'm definitely going to use that when I used Uber Eats for the first time. And we are almost at the bottom, guys. Walgreens, Walmart. And we have finally reached the ending, guys. So as you could see, you could earn anywhere from 1 to 10% back, or even a fixed cash dollar amount back. You will notice at larger retails, the cashback amount might be smaller, such as at Walmart, it's only 1% back. But if you go to a smaller retailer, you can get some higher cash back, such as 5% to 10% at smaller retailers. So definitely something to keep in mind. Now, once you've actually used your credit or debit card that you've linked to the Acorns Found Money program, the way you can track your cash back is on the bottom where it says total found money. So the total amount is on the top here. That'll show you how much cash back you've earned so far. So I've earned $23.69 through Acorns Found Money Partners. It'll show you $19.47 has already been invested into my Acorns account. $4.22 is still pending. So again, guys, like I said, do have a little patience because it will take some time before the cash back is fully invested into your Acorns account. But as you can see on my end, I can confirm that once that time frame does pass, the money is directly invested into your Acorns portfolio. As you can see, $19.47 has already been invested into my Acorns portfolio, and the rest is just pending. With time, it will be invested as well. Now, if you want to learn the specific details on a specific retailer and how you can earn cash back, all you have to do is click on it. So let's say you want to learn how can I earn cash back for Amazon Fire tablets. Click on that. So every retailer will have a little window that opens up with more details. Tap Shop Now to purchase Amazon Fire tablets, and we'll invest 3% of your purchase into your Acorns account. Also, guys, this is key. It'll say you must tap the button and make a purchase in the same session to redeem. And this is the same for all the retailers and Acorns Found Money programs. You have to make sure to tap on the little button that says Shop Now and make the purchase in the same session for the cashback to count. So this will be the same for everyone, no matter which retailer you pick. If you pick, let's just say Adidas, every single retailer will have a little Shop Now button, and be sure to click through that Shop Now button. Don't go through adidas.com. Click on the Shop Now button. For example, let's say I click Shop Now. It'll then open up the Adidas website, and here I can now earn cash back because I clicked through the Acorns link. But be sure, guys, to click through the Found Money Partners Shop Now link, or you won't get the cash back. So don't go to these websites directly. If you're going to make a purchase, I would always definitely recommend first checking in your Acorns Found Money portal, see if that place offers cash back, and get some free cash back. That's how I've personally got my cash back so far, through Acorns Found Money. I was actually going to make some online purchases anyways, and I said, wait a second, before I do, let me take a quick peek inside the Acorns app, just make sure I'm not missing out on some free cash back. And lo and behold, there were many places that did offer cash back. So it definitely does add up over time. And if you're like me and you use cashback credit cards, this is great to stack your cash back. I love stacking my cash back on top of cash back. So definitely something to keep in mind, guys. If you're already an Acorns user and you want to start using the Found Money program, this is a great way to make some easy money invested back into your Acorns investments. So like I said earlier, guys, I'm now going to show you how you can install the Chrome extension on your Chrome browser so you can really maximize your cash back with Acorns. So here we are now back on the Acorns website where it says you can earn as you shop by downloading their Found Money Chrome extension. Be sure to have your Chrome browser open. This will not work on Firefox or any other browser. This is a Chrome extension. This will then open up the Acorns Found Money program Chrome extension. You'll want to click Add to Chrome. The next step is you'll want to authorize the Acorns browser extension. It says by clicking OK, you agree to grant access to read your Found Money offers and redeem Found Money offers on your behalf. So you want to click OK. Again, guys, this does not grant access to personally identifiable information in your Acorns account. So now the Acorns browser extension is installed on my Chrome browser. You'll find a little Acorns on the top right of your browser. If you click on that little acorn, it'll open up the browser extension here, as you can see. It'll show all the different retailers you can earn cash back from online. And all you have to do is click Activate Offer in any one. So let's just try it out, for example. Let's say I wanted to shop at Finish Line, earn some cash back where it says 5%. Go ahead and click on Finish Line. It'll then open up the page for 5% back. Click on Activate Offer. It'll then open up a new page with the website directly. It took me directly to Finish Line. As you could see, it says Offer Activated, Success. You're set up to receive an investment from Finish Line after checkout. No codes needed. So that's pretty cool. You can earn cash back not only from your phone, but also on your computer with the Chrome extension. You'll also see on the bottom of the browser extension, it'll show you a recap of your total found money, as well as how much you have pending as well. So that way you can also track your cash back not only through the Acorns app, but also through the Chrome browser extension. And also guys, just one quick tip, much like how in the app you have to click on the Shop Now button whenever you want to get cash back at a retailer, you also have to do that with the Chrome browser extension. So for example, if you want to earn cash back at AT&T and get $25 cash back, you can't just go to AT&T.com with your Chrome browser extension installed. You have to click on the little button here and click Activate Offer. You must activate the offer, guys, to get that cash back. So be sure to always click through there or else you won't get the cash back. And they're always introducing new cashback partners and new promos with higher percentage for cash back. So it's definitely a great experience, especially if you're already an Acorns user. There's no reason not to link a debit or credit card to your Acorns account and take advantage of the free cash back. If you're an Acorns user like me that also uses cashback credit cards, this is a great way to stack your cash back and get cash back on cash back. That's what I do. I have my cashback credit cards, I link them to my Acorns app, and it's just cashback on cashback. And again, if you're new to the Acorns app and would like to try it out, definitely feel free to join through my referral link in the description box below, where you and I will both get a free $5 invested into our Acorns account. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely feel free to give it a thumbs up. They're always appreciated, guys. If you guys would like to see any of my other Acorns investment app tutorial videos, feel free to check out my playlist of my Acorns tutorial videos right over here to the right. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Everyday Investing.